Hi guys, I hope you are doing well where you are. So throughout these videos we'll be doing physics course for grade 12. So the syllabus is going to be the 2020 syllabus. So before I can get into the business, let me just tell you about my tutoring strategy. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to cover the theory of each and every chapter. So I'm going to cover the theory for each and every chapter. The second thing I'm going to do few examples for that chapter, and then after that we're going to do the past papers for that chapter. Past papers for that chapter. So each and every chapter we're going to do like this: theory, examples, and past papers. So this is how we're going to deal. We're going to work in our course. So the first chapter that we are going to cover is momentum. So momentum is under mechanics. So before you can start mechanics, there are a few things that you have to remind yourself from grade 10 and grade 11. So those things that we're going to cover in these videos are vectors, and scalars. Scalars and vectors, or vectors and scalars. So in this video, I'm just going to do a recap for vectors and scalars. So what's a scalar? When somebody is saying or is talking about a scalar, actually I've used many concepts that are under scalars, but without realizing that. One of them was mass. When you are saying that my phone is 2 kg, or I'm going to buy 2 kg of rice, I'm going to buy 10 kg of meal, or whatever you're buying, that it's a mass. That means you're talking about the scalar. So a scalar is a physical quantity that has a magnitude and SI unit. Magnitude, it has a magnitude and SI unit and SI units. So let's take example of mass. A mass, when you're saying 10 kg, so what's a magnitude and what's an SI unit there? A magnitude is 10. 10 is a magnitude, and then kg is SI units. So it's how we represent the mass in physics. That's a SI unit. So what's a vector? What's the difference between a scalar and a vector? These things are not the same, because we're not talking about a vector, we're talking about a physical quantity that has a magnitude, direction, and SI unit. So this one has a magnitude, that's the first thing, and direction, and also SI units. So it has a magnitude, direction, and SI units. That's a vector. So the difference between the two is that this one has a direction while this one doesn't have a direction. So one example of a vector is when you're talking about a force, e.g. a force. When you're saying a force is 10 Newton, or you're saying, oh, my friend is pushing me with a 10 Newton, you can't say my friend is pushing me with a 10 kg. That doesn't make any sense in physics. So it's pushing you with a 10 Newton to where? Towards my brother, towards the hall, towards my sister, towards my mom, to east, to west, north, south. Wherever you're pushed to, that's a direction. So that means this, it's a vector, because it's a physical quantity that has a magnitude, SI units, and direction. So let's just say east here for this one. So look at this one. It's F is equals to 10 Newton east. That's a vector. It's easy to understand. And then a scalar, it doesn't have a direction. So those are the two concepts that you must understand before you can get into mechanics. So thanks for watching. Actually, this was just an introduction. Then I hope I will see you in the next video.